This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about foil food bags, specifically these bag tech foil bags. And there's a few options. You have both a craft finish and the silver, and you've got a variety of designs. These adorable Bon Appetit ones come in both pint and half gallon. And then there's also a third size that's a quart that's in between the two. We've got both large and small for the hot dog bags. And you can see they've got hot dog printed on them with a bunch of other fun little words like tasty and sizzling. And then there's these really great burger bags that also have things like veggie burger, chicken sandwich, fish sandwich printed on them as well. So they're great for a variety of uses for different sandwiches. And then finally, just a nice large size plain sandwich bag. So you can use these for the traditional kinds of uses like hot foods, but also a variety of other foods as well. And they're going to be great at keeping your foods warm because they have a lovely aluminum foil lining that's going to help retain heat and moisture, making them perfect for takeout and delivery. They have attractive either craft or silver options for the outside, and they're printed with lots of great little identifiers and messages to help you get the idea of your wonderful goods across. They also have a grease-proof lining to keep foods from getting soggy and to keep your delivery bags clean, which is fantastic. The bags are freezer safe and heat resistant, making them ideal for the packaging of both hot and cold foods. We've got a variety of sizes for packaging a range of foods from popcorn, pretzels, and churros to more traditional things like hamburgers, hot dogs. You could also use them for some sweets like hand pies, but also things like sandwiches, wings, spare ribs, or just chicken tenders. These are great for a variety of food establishments with to-go or delivery services like restaurants, food trucks, food stalls, and stands.